Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil rose for a third day as investors tracked another hurricane menacing a key U.S. energy hub just weeks after Ida hammered local output. The dollar weakened after data showed an unexpectedly low rise in U.S. inflation last month, creating uncertainty about the timing of the Federal Reserve's tapering of its asset purchases. The Litecoin Foundation screwed up after one of its employees retweeted what turned out to be an untrue announcement about a partnership with Walmart Inc., said its managing director.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's retail price index will be released at 600 GMT, the UK's consumer price index at 600 GMT, the US industrial production at 1315 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 900 GMT, Japan's exports at 2350 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.